Hola, soy Kavita, mucho gusto. Welcome to my channel Mapa Herbal Talks. Let's talk about Indian ancient life science and ancient remedies. Today we talk about Sitopaladi Churna. Sitopaladi Churna is a classical Ayurvedic herbal formulation primarily used to support respiratory health and boost immunity. It is an effective remedy for coughs, colds and congestions and also aids digestion. It will manage seasonal colds, wet and dry coughs, bronchitis and seasonal allergies. Its expectorant and allergic property help clear mucus, soothe the throat and ease breathing. It acts as an immunomodulator and contains antioxidants that enhance the body's natural defenses against recurrent illness and free radical damage. The blend of spices stimulates digestive enzymes, which can improve appetite, enhance nutrient absorption, and relieve digestive discomfort like bloating, gas, indigestion. It helps to overcome fatigue and nervous exhaustion and alleviate burning sensation in the hands and feet. The formulation is synergetic blend of 5 natural ingredients. First, Sitopala, that is Sharkara, which helps balance Kapha and Vata dosh. Vanshalochan means Bambusa aerudineasa, is natural bamboo crystal with healing property. Pippali, that is Piper longum, is a potent expectorant and bioenhancer. Elaichi, Elateria cardamom, is known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. Tvaka, cinnamon, xylancium, aids digestion and acts as a bioenhancer. These ingredients are dried and powdered and mixed in specific ratio 6:8:4:2:1. That is sugar 16 parts, Vanshalochan 8 parts, Pippali 4 parts, Elaichi 2 parts and Tvaka 1 part to create a homogeneous blend. Thank you. Hasta pronto. Bye.